family life continues to grow year after year because of generous donors like you. Oliver Hatcher is one of our largest donors to Child and Family Life and long-standing for decades, have been supporting us and allowing us to be innovative and touch the lives of children and families.
Kind of put things in perspective from the adversity we see day to day in our jobs versus adversity a child's family may see in the hospital. So that's why we do what we do and why we're here today. We appreciate y'all being here.
The people that are working in the hospital are doing incredible things for kids that never had a choice.